Art Integrated Project Science. Contents about Nagaland and Mizoram.
Welcome to Nagaland.
Where are you from?
I'm from Nagaland.
Oh, where is Nagaland located?
See the slide to know where is Nagaland located.
So these are the location of Nagaland. Yes, now I understand.
Okay, are you know about the population of Nagaland?
Oh, this is the population of Nagaland. Literacy rate of Nagaland. Yes.
We have many differences. Can we have any similarity?
Oh yeah. Similarities. We have similarities in our cells. Cells are the basic building block of living organism. We have same kind of cell. Every cell perform a specific function. Let's know more about cell. Mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, and lysosomes. And these underwritten are the some information about that. Let's see some slideshow with this to understand cell from very basic. Manipur. Welcome to Manipur.
Let's know about your state. Where are you live?
I'm living in Manipur.
I'm not know about any Manipur. Tell me where is Manipur location?
Okay, let's know more about Manipur location. Manipur is called as Well of India, and Manipur is in state in northeast India, where the city of Imphal is its capital. Manipur. Manipur dress, art of Manipur, cultural life of Manipur, tribe areas of Manipur. Alungutsu is the tribal dress of Manipur. These are some arts of Manipur. Cultural life of Manipur. Polo and field hockey are popular sports in Manipur, and Manipur has given birth to indigenous form of classical dance known as Manipuri. These are some parts of tribes in Manipur.
Then
Thank,
bye.
thank you.